What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Y'all see them green tomatoes? See how I'm cutting them? About a quarter-inch thick. So you know what time it is. Gotta fry some green tomatoes. But guess what? We not frying them in oil. We are frying them, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So after we get our tomato slices cut, we're gonna go ahead and spread them across this cooling rack. Making sure we give them enough space in between each tomato. Then we're gonna go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt. And of course, we're gonna salt both sides. Now the purpose of this salt is to draw that moisture out. We wanna draw as much moisture out as possible. So after that salt has done its job, we're gonna go ahead and start patting our tomatoes dry, cause that liquid then came out, y'all. And the drier our tomato, the more crispy our finished product is gonna be. So here's our dredging station. We have our eggs, and we're gonna give those a quick whisk right quick. Make sure that they're combined really well. And next to our eggs, we have our flour. We're gonna add a little bit of our red hot riplets seasoning. I kind of like it, give it a little spice, a little spicy kick, and it's not that salty. At least not in the seasoned form anyway, y'all. Then we gonna mix that into our flour and our potato flakes. Now we're using potato flakes instead of breadcrumbs. Now, this is gonna give you just a little bit of extra crispy bite to your green tomato. If you got some potato flakes, I suggest you try this, y'all, because it's really good. So we're gonna get our tomatoes in our flour first, of course. Then into our egg. Now when you're flouring your tomato, make sure that flour is all over that tomato. You know, get all the cracks and crevices. And before you pull your tomato out of your egg, make sure that that egg is coated all over that tomato, because sometimes you can have like dry spots in your egg. And of course, we switch our potato flakes to the front so you can see what I'm doing. And we're gonna get our potato flakes on. And we're gonna get a real good coating of those potato flakes, y'all. Oh yeah, this was so good. One more time with them potato flakes, just so y'all see exactly what I'm doing. Make sure you get that coated really well. So after we get our tomatoes coated, this is what they look like. And we're gonna hit them with our spritzy spritz. Hit them with that olive oil right on top. And then we're gonna get them into our air fryer. Now we're putting it in the air fryer, olive oil side down. The side that we put our olive oil on, we're gonna have that face down. And then we're gonna hit the other side with our olive oil, with our little spritzy spritz. That's why I love my little spritzy spritz. It just come in handy, y'all. It comes in handy. And then we gonna shut that lid and let that air fryer do its thing. Now we're air frying at 375 degrees, and I have my air fryer set for 20 minutes, but it actually took around 12 to 15 minutes to cook each batch. So depending on the thickness of your tomatoes and how big your tomatoes are, gonna depend on your cooking time. So midway through, of course, we flipped them and hit them with a little bit more olive oil. Then we gonna let them finish cooking, y'all. Let them finish cooking. And oh my goodness, y'all, they ready. They ready. No, my goodness, y'all. Check them out. Don't they look tasty? And I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of that sriracha mayo. Let's give them a little cutty cut, and let's see what they taste like, y'all. Let's see what they working with. But y'all, this was so tasty. I don't know if I'm gonna fry mine anymore. I might always air fry 'em. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.